After my last video, a lot of people told me that I should have waited for the new Apple TV to be released, and I get it. But after living with this setup for the past few weeks, I don't think the right question is why didn't I wait? For me, the main reason why I got this Apple TV and HomePod wasn't really about upgrading or changing my TV. It was about taking better advantages of my living room. Before this setup, we barely even used the living room. We only used this space when we had people over, mostly because the TV will always lag, even when doing basic tasks like opening YouTube. So most times we wouldn't even use it to try to watch TV or anything between some apps that have ads. And the TV being slow, we didn't really want to use it.
What I've noticed the most is how simple everything feels. Even though this device came out a few years ago, everything still works perfectly fine. You turn it on and everything responds right away. You don't really have to think about it. Even my dad, who is 75 years old, was able to easily understand how to use it because everything looks and feels familiar. One thing I didn't show in my last video was the sound, and this is where the HomePod really makes a difference. I really like the fact that you can use the simple control panel to simply select either the volume or what devices you want this music to be playing from. Whether I'm watching something on the TV or just doing chores around the house, having music played through the HomePod just changes the whole experience. It's not just louder, it fills the room in a completely different way. And once you have more than one HomePod, it just takes us to a different level.
Hey Siri, can you start Get Together scene?
And once you add the rest of the smart home to it, everything just flows. It starts to feel less like separate devices and more like a space that works together.
Now, this setup is not perfect. The biggest thing for most people is going to be the price, because let's be honest, it does start at a higher price point. And there are a few options in the market that can do very similar things. Siri is also a little bit limited as of things that it can do compared to other smart assistants. So it definitely works best if you are already using Apple devices. If you are in the ecosystem, this is where it actually shines. So should you wait for the new Apple TV? If you're waiting for something completely different, maybe, why not? But if what you want is something that is reliable, that works incredible, and it's gonna be timeless, has amazing sound quality, maybe something that makes your space even better, this is it. It really does all of those things right now, and it does them really, really well. For me, this wasn't only about getting something new or the newest technology. Some part was that, of course, me wanting a HomePod And of course, we wanted an Apple TV for the living room so I could take better advantage of that. But on the other hand, I wanted to make my living space a little bit more me, a space that I will enjoy to be in, and a place where I will enjoy to watch content, you name it, movies, shows, or even listen to music. Another thing is that we don't know when the Apple TV is going to be released. We don't know if we're gonna get a new HomePod with the screen. Again, these are just rumors, and they've been around, or they've been going on for about, honestly, a few years now that I think about it. So I just wanted to take action and do something right now and to make this space a little bit more me and a little bit more enjoyable. But let me know what you think in the comments down below. Are you going to wait for the new Apple TV and HomePod to come out? Hey Siri, can you turn off lights, please?